How to know if someone is online on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps how you can know if someone is online on Snapchat. Well, to check if someone is online on Snapchat, what you can do is you can look for the timestamp on the Snap Map if they share the location. So you can simply either, if they have enabled sharing location, right, you have two different options. The first is you can either head over to this certain chat and look at the chat at the top if it shows the location. So it will basically show 6 minutes ago in this, 12 minutes ago in this, so it'll show up there. The other is you can either head into Snap Map at the bottom of your screen, and here you can simply go ahead and check if they have enabled and when was the last location traced. So you can see here this user was 18 minutes ago somewhere here, so this means they were online 18 minutes ago. So this is how you can know if someone is online on Snapchat. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.